Hey YouTube, we're gonna have a 2v1 team deathmatch. Alright, 3 team hits is gonna be counted for, and yep, that's it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
He didn't come with any of them. He can't.
You have to listen to camera. Is that 2 on you?
I hit him 4 times. He didn't call any of his team.
Yeah. Don't mind, go. Go!
Where is he?
He's up there, I got you, go. You have to listen to a commanding officer, go. Now, go! Go!
I shot you like 4 times. You're dead.
Yeah, I saw that. I got you first on the invade.
I shot Joe.
I know, I saw it. I got you first on the invade, you're out. We won.
That was actually a pretty fun game.
Yeah, alright, YouTube, I won that one.